deal, dude? Come on, man. You know how dangerous that is? You know how dangerous this is? You could kill me riding over this.
Do what?
You know how dangerous this is riding over with the bike? It's like ice.
Oh yeah, I wasn't aware of that.
I mean, it was slide. I mean, it literally was slide right off underneath the bike.
I wasn't aware of that. I can throw it in.
There's a state law against this.
Well, you said all you need to say.
I know.
Okay?
I don't mean no disrespect, but
I took you at your word. I said I'd throw it in. What do you want me to do?
nothing.
No.
Just like, I mean, you got all that property. Just blow the grass that way, not into the road.
I got the message.
Appreciate it.
Okay.
This is all public
Stop
space.
approaching me.
I'm not approaching you. This is all public space.
Ma'am, if you touch me one more time, I will shove you away.
I'm not touching you.
Stop approaching me. If you keep approaching me,
Look, get down, camera.
stop
Look what she
approaching
did.
me. So you throw money at me, and then you get up in my face over and over?
Nothing
The
else.
cops are gonna hear about this.
Oh, good. Let him do it. I'll get you on camera. Bring it over.
So you're trying to flee from a crime scene? I'm calling the...
crime scene.
I'm telling you I'm calling the police because you assaulted me and you're fleeing. I have it on video. You just hit someone. You just hit them. She's trying to flee from a crime scene. I have that on video.
Ya 5 değil daha fazla olacak bu gidişle. Ya 5 değil daha fazla olacak bu gidişle.
Holy smokes, what an asshole. Wow.
Oh shit!
The only thing that I put in their bag was your cheese curds. I put my cheese curds with yours, we don't steal it. Oh! What was that?
They just hit each other, and I got it on dash cam, I think too. Holy crap!
They hit us?
No,
No.
they hit each other.
Oh shit! They
Yeah.
hit hard.
Yeah, we're going
Yeah.
over to help.
If you want your dash cam clip featured on a DCTV episode, you can send it here on DCTV. It's simple and easy. For more details, have a look at the description below. Help everyone learn from your experience. I'm Ann and this is Nicole. Thanks for watching. Bye.